Hi, I'm Bob with Karcher. Thanks for joining us today as we discuss the ECO T11 CartVac. Now the nice thing about the CartVac is a 36-volt unit, 10-quart capacity, and at 55 decibels makes it perfect for daytime cleaning. Now the other nice thing, it comes in two different varieties for you. One a deluxe model as you see today, or basic model. Basic model means that you're not getting the 40-gallon brute or the storage behind it. Now the other thing that makes it really nice about the CartVac, it is a true hybrid unit. Meaning that when the battery runs down, I can plug it into a 120 outlet, run the machine, and still charge the battery at the same time. Now let's go and take a look at the features of the ECO T11 CartVac. One of the features of the ECO T11 CartVac is the fact we give you the home base option. Now the nice thing about the home base system is that you can actually attach a variety of different clips to hold either a dustpan, broom, wet floor sign, whatever that is that you need to have. Now one of the nice things about the wand is you have 22 different adjustments to make sure we can accommodate all operator heights. Now as far as the floor tool, well, that'll also accommodate both hard and soft floor applications. Now starting over here, you have the main switch. When you hit that, the light will come on and the unit will power up. Remember, at only 55 decibels, perfect for daytime cleaning. We also have a series of lights. The first one's going to be the battery indicator, followed by the back full light. Now if you remember, we talked about this being a true hybrid machine. Now the benefit of that is that when the batteries run out, we can simply plug it in, continue working, and charge the batteries at the same time. Now Karcher went the extra mile to make sure this is comfortable and easy to transport. We give you large 12-inch wheels. You can actually push or pull this machine if you have a deluxe unit. The other thing is we give you plenty of storage here and also on the front and the cubby holes. So no matter what you need, you'll have it on board every time. But also think about it like this. Imagine if we were to lose that 40-gallon brute on the front. What else could you put on the front of that? A low speed maybe? An extractor? Use your imagination. So until next time, when you think of Karcher, think of Bob. Better operating budgets.